Hello friends, today I am here with new tutorial on how you can set up the doctor appointment booking process in the CLDoctor theme. Firstly, go to the appearance from your dashboard and then theme to add a new theme. Click on upload theme and for the choosing file, select your exact downloaded zip file of CLDoctor. Then click on install now. After completing installing, then click on activate. And instantly you'll get several required plugins to begin your installing plugins. So let's click on it. And here these are. Select all the plugins together to install and then click on apply. While done, now let's click on return to required plugin installer. And again select all of them to activate. Now click on apply. After this, click on return to the dashboard. And again go to the appearance. Now easy demo importer. And here these are. You'll get 4 different pre-made home pages layout. You can preview each one of them and then click on import. Then click on continue and after that start import. Now keep some patience to complete your importing demo. And finally you're done with that. Now let's click on view site. And here it is, the ideal for building physician finder websites, medical marketplaces, or full healthcare directories, and also includes tool for membership packages, featured listing, and automated subscription. Now let's back to the dashboard again, and then click on plugins to add plugin. Here click on upload plugin and for choosing file, select your downloaded plugin zip file of Radius Booking Pro plugin. We need to install it first. Now click on install. After completing installation, click on Activate plugin. And here it is, Radius Booking Pro for this premium feature. Now it's time to go to the Radius Booking plugin dashboard and then go to the settings. For your general settings, from here you can set your currency and price and business information. You can add your business information here. And for this, provide your company name, business phone number and the address, and then email settings to configure the sender details for all outgoing emails. Click on Save Changes. Now go to the schedule. From here, you can set formats and intervals for a schedule, which means date and time. You can set it either 12 or 24-hour clock. And then set your default working hours for each day. You can add weekly schedule for your appointments. Not only that, you can also override your weekly schedule for your specific days and the holidays and days off. After completing it, click on Save Changes. Now go to the tax to configure tax calculation for bookings. If you want, you can enable or disable this tax option. Now let's move to the appointment for your service list shortcode. You can also configure your default appointment status, like into pending, cancelled, or completed. Then you will get customer settings for reschedule and cancellations. Next, integration settings. From here, you can integrate your Google Calendar, Zoom, Apple Calendar, or etc. what you like. For example, we are now testing Zoom. First, enable this integration to configure settings with API and then provide your required elements that are provided here. And you must turn classified listings into bookable service into listing as stuff. Then click on Save Changes. Now navigate to the business setup for the services. Click on your added service and then go to the settings for your advanced options. From here, you need to connect your integration with external services. So let's click on it and select Zoom to enable for creating Zoom meeting appointment. You need to enable this for your services also. If you further want, you can also integrate Google Meet as well as Google Calendar. And the next, payment gateway. From here, you can select offline payment if you want to accept cash, check, or other offline payment methods. You can also choose PayPal and Stripe to enable these payment gateways. While done, click on Save Changes. Now, payout. Payout configuration for commission from each booking, which means you can configure commission rates and available payout methods for employees. Choose your commission type, either percentage or fixed amount. Then set your rate and minimum payout amount. Then choose your payout method. You can choose either cash or bank transfer. You just need to fill up these required necessity. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's navigate to the configuration and then go to the email notification settings. From here, you can manage email notifications for your customer, employee, and for the admin. These email notifications can be sent for various appointment status such as cancellation, confirmation, pending, completed, registration, and more. And this is how you can view all of the email notifications. Now let's add a doctor listing. Firstly, click on Add Listing and get a search appearance of your listing form. Firstly, we need to fill up the register form and login process. So provide your full name, username, email address, and the password as well. Let's click on Register. As you can see, this is the doctor dashboard. Now let's click on Add Listing and choose Doctor Form. From here, firstly we need to select our listing type and the category, then set location, address, and the other information as well. Set a feature and gallery image is important, so let's select it according to your preference. Now let's click on Submit. As you can see, the doctor listing is displayed here after creating it, where the status is showing pending. To fix this, back to the listings again and then go to the All listing. From here, click on it to edit quick. Now let's change the status into published here. Click on Update. Now let's back to the doctor's dashboard and reload this page. Here you can see the difference about your status. Let's click on it to see the single status page. And here it is, where all the doctor information is available along with the option for Book Now. Let's click on it to book this doctor for patient. Firstly, select the date and time, and then select your available time slots. In the next, patient details. For this, patient need to provide their full name, phone number, email address, and if they want, they can add any additional notes. Then you will get payment and the checkout in the next. Choose your payment method and let's click on Continue. And this is how your appointment will be confirmed. From here, you can see the booking details along with service, date, time, duration, and the patient name. And the doctors can view appointment details from the dashboard. Let's click on Booking, and from here you can see the overview. If you go to the My Calendar, you will able to see the service details along with the date, time, and the payment status. And for watching the details, click on here. You can see the details about your consultation. Next, go to the customer, where doctor can see the details about their patient. And this is the payment. If you want to make this service confirm, then let's click on yes, confirm. And instantly, your payment will be displayed as completed from pending. To make the payment process finish, super admin must complete the appointment status. So let's go to the Radius Booking plugin dashboard and then navigate to the appointment. Here you can see your recently added appointment along with the doctor name. Let's click on details, and from here you can see the appointment information, service provider, integration way, and the customer information. Now if you click on mark as paid, your payment status will instantly change into paid from pending. Now let's go to the payment and click on here to see the invoices billing information. Here this is the patient details, service information, doctor's booking, and etc. Now let's back to the doctor dashboard, and if you reload the page, doctor will be able to see their payment as completed from here, where there will be also displayed the total earnings, total pending, total cancellation, and etc. Doctors also can check services payout and the payments, where doctor can see the total paid and the partial payment. Now let's move to the payout. If they want to check their payouts, they can see the total earnings, net earnings, along with the commission rate. And by clicking here, doctors can request their payout. For this, they have to submit their amount, and for the optional, they can write a note for this. And then they can choose their payout method, either cash or bank transfer. Then click on submit request. And here you can see the final available balance along with their commission rate. But now their payout history shows the status as pending. To fix this, again super admin need to release payments. Not only that, super admin can also view all payout requests as well. Let's back to the doctor dashboard again and reload the page first. Now let's go to the payout to see the payout history for the status. And see, here the status is processing. Make it as paid. To see the changes, let's go to the doctor's dashboard again. Reload this page first. Here this is the difference, where payout status is displayed as paid along with the payout amount as well as available balance. Now let's go to the commission. This is the appearance. Super admin can income their commissions from each appointment. Now let's move to the all payouts, where doctor can manage payout request. And here you can see all the payment status are now paid. Now let's back to the doctor dashboard again and see the overview, where you can see the commission rate along with the total earnings from the earning and commission. Now in this step, we'll be clear about email notifications for admin, doctor, and patient. And for this, go to the email log first. Here you can see multiple email notifications. Let's click on it to view its details. And here it looks like it. The next email is about doctor directory. It's about your listing is published. If you check the next notification, it is about new appointment received for the consultation or the service. And this notification is about your appointment pending confirmation. Here, multiple email notifications are available, including those doctors, patients, and the super admin as well. If you want, you can see each notification one by one. For example, you can see an email notification for appointment confirmation through Zoom meeting, where appointment ID, service, staff, customer, date and time, duration, and the join Zoom meeting link will be attached. You just need to click on this and it will automatically bring you there. I am just showing you the process how you can connect it. When your booking appointment will be completed, you'll get this type of appointment confirmation email notification, where you can see the billing details along with the booking ID. Not only that, if your appointment is complete, patient will get a thank you email notification. After all of this, at this point, if you go to the Radius Booking plugin dashboard, Super Admin able to see the total appointments and the upcoming appointments along with the recent activity. Not only that, they will be able to see appointment analytics overview. If admin want, they can also check their staff performance, services, and the customers as well. And from the calendar, the upcoming appointments will be also displayed here. And this is how you can set up doctor appointment process in CLDoctor Theme. Thank you for watching this tutorial.